Top 5 Best Microscope Phone Repair in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best microscope phone repair? If you received a new microscope phone repair, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best microscope phone repairs on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The RF4 Trinocular Stereo Microscope Set is a premium tool for precision tasks like soldering, PCB repair, and intricate inspections. It offers continuous zoom magnification from 7x to 50x and a 0.5x CTV synchronizer for seamless camera adaptation. The set is built with durable metal material, CE certified, and features a 144 LED spotlight, dust-proof lens, trinocular drawtube, and articulating arm stand with 360 degrees rotation. Its mechanical gear zoom locking knob ensures precise magnificat. Number 2. The High Cloud 3.5x 90x SimulFocal Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a high-definition solution ideal for PCB soldering, phone repair, and intricate inspections. With a magnification range of 3.5x to 90x, it provides exceptional clarity and detail for precision work. The WF10x/20mm eyepiece and SEM-CTV12 lens adapter ensure accurate imaging and compatibility with digital cameras. Equipped with a 4K/2K 48MP HDMI USB digital video camera, it allows seamless real-time viewing and recording. Number 3. The SimulFocal Trinocular Stereo Microscope by High Cloud is a precision instrument for phone PCB repair, soldering, and intricate inspections. It offers a continuous zoom magnification range of 7x to 45x and WF10x/20mm eyepieces, making it ideal for delicate tasks like IC soldering and jewelry observation. The CE-certified microscope is made of durable aluminum and features a 56 LED ring light for clear visibility in low-light environments. It's simultaneous visual observation. Number 4. The 48MP 2K 4K HDMI Digital USB Microscopio camera with 3.5x 90x SimulFocal Trinocular Stereo Microscope by High Cloud is a powerful tool for phone PCB soldering, repair, and precision inspections. It offers a zoom magnification range of 3.5x to 90x and WF10x/20mm eyepieces for detailed imaging. The microscope features a 48MP 4K HDMI USB video camera for clear live viewing and recording, compatible with both HDMI and USB interfaces. It features a 56 PCS LED ring light for optimal ILM. Number 5. The TOMLOV Autofocus 4K Digital Microscope, TM4K AF, is a high-performance tool for mobile phone repair, electronic soldering, and intricate inspections. It offers crystal clear, detailed images with magnification ratios ranging from 1500x to 3000x, and 4K resolution for sharp visuals. The microscope is built with a metal frame for durability and features an 8-inch flexible arm for easy positioning. Its autofocus feature ensures accurate focus adjustments without manual interference. Thanks for watching the video.